Stockport Fencing Limited has been providing the finest quality fencing to customers all over South Manchester and Cheshire since 1971. We manufacture and stock one of the largest ranges of fencing materials in the Northwest for both domestic and industrial use. We offer our fences either supply only or supplied and fitted by one of our highly skilled fencing teams. We also manufacture and install high quality concrete sectional buildings under the name of Prestige Sectional Buildings Limited. Buildings are available in a wide choice of sizes and styles and include our exclusive Textone joint-free brick finish that's so realistic you won't believe it's not the real thing. We've built up an unsurpassed reputation for supplying the finest quality products at a highly competitive price, and that's why many customers come back to us time and time again. Our commitment to quality not only attracts huge numbers of DIY customers, but we also supply many trade customers who understand the benefits of using the best quality materials. Visit us today or call this number for more information.